People who won a lifetime supply of a product. What did you win? How did you win it? And are you still receiving said product? My friend won a lifetime supply of toilet paper. It started as a joke. He entered the contest just for fun, never expecting to win. But then the company called him up, and the next thing we knew, he had a garage full of toilet paper. The funny part is, my friend is the last person who would ever think about needing that much toilet paper. He's super organized, and he lives alone, so he's always been the type to buy in bulk and have a stockpile of essentials. Winning this contest was like hitting the jackpot for him. He got so much toilet paper that he ended up giving it away to friends and family. For months, everyone knew that if they were running low, they could just call him up. He even donated a bunch to local shelters, which was really cool. The supply lasted longer than he expected, but eventually, it ran out. It was a good run though. He said it felt like a little bit of a burden had been lifted when he finally had to go out and buy toilet paper again.